This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: an active Office 365 account and an updated Office app. Make sure your microphone is connected and tested in your OS audio settings. Once done, set mic level around 50–70% so speech is clear. Next, open Word, Outlook, or PowerPoint and look for the Dictate icon on the Home ribbon. Click Dictate to begin permissions. You'll be prompted to allow microphone access. Grant it so Office can hear you and convert speech to text in real time. Once Dictate is active, choose your language and regional variant from the Dictate menu so recognition matches your accent. Begin speaking naturally but clearly. Include voice commands for punctuation like comma or period, and say new line or new paragraph to structure text. If recognition drifts, pause, repeat the phrase, or say select that then delete to remove an error. You can also toggle auto punctuation if available. Make sure background noise is low to improve accuracy. To finish, click the Dictate button to stop listening, then save and proofread your document. Voice recognition is fast but not perfect. If accuracy is low, make sure the correct microphone is selected and recheck the language settings. Change them and try dictating a short sentence to confirm improvement. If Dictate won't start, restart the Office app, verify microphone privacy permissions in your OS, and ensure your subscription includes Dictate features. If problems persist, reconnect the mic and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.